Congratulate Tajikistan for their participation in the World Championships and to ensure that Devran, as the president, has a great experience here in Serbia, and good luck to his athletes that are competing over the next few days. So every federation has the ability to host the World Championships, so I'm looking forward to Tajikistan putting in a bid, just like they did for the Asian Championships. They did an absolutely amazing job with the Asian Championships in October, and yeah, for sure, I think they will be able to pull off a World Championships.
Tajikistan, first of all, I wish you all the best in the championship. As always, you guys show us the best performance, and you are one of the best team in every angle. If it's technically, physically, even you guys are one of the most disciplined teams who ever attended the championship. I wish you all the best and good luck.
Команду Таджикистана знаю очень хорошо, был несколько раз в вашей стране. Прекрасные спортсмены, прекрасные тренеры, и, как всегда, вы обязательно покажете блестящие бои и результат. Я в этом не сомневаюсь. Все будет так же, как и в прошлый раз. Вы вернетесь домой с победой. Таджикистан, Бапеш.
Ahmed Gambar, President of Bahrain MMA Federation and Asian MMA Federation. We wish Tajikistan and all the other teams all the best. We are congratulating whoever who won yesterday and wishing all the best for today.
خدا ایمان امیر محمدی هستم، نماینده فدراسیون جهانی MMA IMF در کشور ایران و الان در مسابقات قهرمانی جهان در کشور سربستان شهر بلگراد هستم. ما مفتخر بودیم در مسابقات قهرمانی آسیا در کشور تاجیکستان رقابت کنیم برای قهرمانی آسیا. برگزاری بسیار عالی بود، بسیار عالی بود، که از بهترین مسابقات برگزار شده در قاره آسیا بود و همونطور که همه میدونن تاجیکستان با اقتدار قهرمان شد. برگزاری عالی بود. امیدوارم که در قهرمانی جهان هم تاجیکستان مدال طلا و سکوی اول رو به دست بیاره.
A great time in Tajikistan. One day I'd love to go back. One of the best countries I've ever been to. The hospitality was great. Everybody looked after me, and the fans were amazing. And they have some of the best fighters I've ever seen. And I can't wait till finals day where they win lots of gold medals. Tajikistan, Bapesh.
Avinash Ramtehal, the President of the Mixed Martial Art Federation of Mauritius, and as well the President for the Confederation MMA of Africa. So, first of all, let me congratulate Tajikistan team, federation, to be present in the World Championship of IMF for this edition in Serbia. So I wish the team good luck and all the best for the championship. Tajikistan, Bapesh.
from Stark Stadium. Today is the first day of the IMF World Championship, Senior and Junior. It's gonna be a great one, and I think the biggest ever held till date. Good wishes for the Tajikistan team and Team India and all the Asian countries under MF, the new Asian Federation, and wishing good luck to each and everybody. Let's hope that Asia wins a lot of medals. Good luck to everybody. Take care. Tajikistan, Bapage.
The mighty Tajikistan, they've taken over the World Championships 2022 with an army, medals galore. Tajikistan, Barrage!